Welcome everyone to Vested Interests. This is Shane coming back to you with another stock pick of the day. Today we are going to cover Leggett Platt. A lot of red in the market today, but this one pulled back significantly more than most, at least of the holdings in my portfolio. So let's take a look. As you can see here, Leggett Platt, ticker LEG. It is in the consumer discretionary sector. Guys, in consumer discretionary, I am actually seeing a lot of value in right now. Obviously, with rates going up and people concerned about recession and inflation, they tend not to spend on the discretionary items, things that they don't necessarily need all the time. So it might be a time to look for those stocks that are significantly undervalued in sectors that are unappreciated by the market, I'll say, in times of distress. That's when I like to pick things up on sale. Cheaper, the better, in my opinion. It increases my yield and increases my future returns. So that's what I like to focus on. So again, Leggett Platt, ticker LEG. Close of business as of March 31st, last day of the month, $34.80. Looks like it was up a little bit in the after hours, and I did pick up some Leggett Platt today. I think I picked it up right around $35 per share. So it closed the day a little lower than what I paid. 52-week range, $34.77. As you can see, it's bouncing right at that 52-week low, as high as $59.16. It has a market cap of $4.654 billion, a beta of 1.45, so it is a little more volatile than the market. A PE ratio of 11.84, that is low, and it looks like $1.68 for dividend. Divide that by 4, it does pay out quarterly, and a very nice yield at 4.5%. Ex-dividend date was March 14th, so you wouldn't get the next dividend payout unless you already own it. And Yahoo Finance as a $46.75 target rate. And as you can see, it looked like it started the day around 36, dropped down to 34.80. I am not affiliated with Yahoo Finance, just where I pull this information from. So again, guys, if you wanted to look up some of these stocks yourself or stocks that you're interested in yourself, that would be one place I go to pull data, and you can go to these different tabs. Financials is a good one to see what their earnings are, to see what their debt to equity ratios are, price to book. You can find their free cash flow is the one that I always look at. So you'd go into financials and actually hit free cash flow, and then you'd find that. And let's take a look at what some of the analysts say. Again, Leggett Platt, LEG, 34.80. Looks like, according to the 8 stock analysts that have taken a look at this, they're calling it a consensus buy. They have a low target of $41.41, which is higher than it currently sits, and that would be upside of 18.99% appreciation, stock appreciation. The average is $47.69. That would be a $37.04% stock appreciation. And on the high side, they're saying as high as $57.75. And that's just below where we just saw it was at 59 was the 52-week high. So they're thinking it might get back up towards that 52-week high, and that would be an appreciation of $65.95%. So this information is brought to you by stockanalysis.com. Again, not affiliated, just another site that I like to look at for information like this. And same thing, you could go in here and look at the statistics, the financials as well, dividends. So 2 sites that I like to look at for this information, guys. And let me know what you think about the video, guys. What do you think of Leggett Platt? Is it one you're looking at, one you've got in your portfolio already? It's one I like. I'm over 100 shares in it now, and I continue to add as it continues to pull back. So I like to add, like I said, when I find stocks on sale, I like to add to them. So let me know what you guys think. As always, appreciate you stopping by, and you haven't done so already, don't forget to show me some love, hit that thumbs up, ring the notification bell, subscribe to the channel, drop a comment down below, let me know what you think. Give me some ideas. What stocks are you guys watching? What's going on with your portfolio? What are you buying? What are you selling even? Love to know what's going on with you guys. I do personally read and respond to all the comments, and I'm always interested in reading your questions and or opinions. And this is Shane signing off, wishing peace and prosperity to you and yours. And remember, financial security comes to those who take a vested interest. Hey, we'll see you in the next one, guys. Thanks for stopping by. I'm not a financial advisor. Nothing in this presentation should be considered financial advice. I'm only sharing my opinion and investing journey for educational and entertainment purposes. Investing involves risk. You can lose money and should never invest any amount you are not comfortable losing. Always do your own research and invest based on your situation, circumstances, and select criteria, or seek the advice and counsel of a certified financial advisor.